how you pick up every scrap in the room and see if you got all of them. Sean, please demonstrate.
What do you see? Are they all in there, Sean?
Yeah, wait. I took some more.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, they're all in.
Well, Sean, what's the verdict?
Are they all in there?
Let me check again.
I'm running out of video here.
We need a verdict.
Yep.
Yep.
See? Yeah.
What, Sean? Hey, Sean, what's the verdict?
They're all in there.
They're all in there?
Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay.